The little bird and the big garden.
Pip is a small bird. He lives in a gray cage. Pip is sad. Every day, Pip looks out the window. He sees the gray wall. He eats seeds. He drinks water. This is Pip's life. This is what is. One morning, a bright pink butterfly flies to the window. Her name is Bella.
Hi, Pip. Why are you sad? I only see this gray wall. Look over there!
Bella says. She points to the garden.
In the garden, the grass is green.
The flowers are red and purple.
This is what could be. Pip looks at the green grass. He dreams of the red flowers. Suddenly, a big orange cat walks by. His name is Leo. Leo is a friendly cat. He sees Pip in the cage.
Do you want to see the garden, Pip?
Yes, please. Leo is clever. He uses his paw to push the small door. Click! The door is open. Pip is afraid. He looks at his seeds. He looks at the gray wall. This is safe. This is what is. But then he looks at Bella. He looks at the big, beautiful tree in the garden. He wants to fly. This is what could be. Pip takes a small step. Then he flaps his wings. Flap, flap, flap. Pip flies out the window. He is in the garden now. He flies to the tall tree. He meets Bella and Leo under the sun. Now, Pip does not live in a gray cage. He lives in the big garden. He is not a sad bird. He is a happy bird. Every day is an adventure. Pip sings a loud song for his friends. The garden is his home.